Right then guys, so this is bucket number 1 from the single seed potato challenge. Just set the scales to 0, put that on, and 0 that out. So that one potato is nearly half a kilo. Right, so that's bucket number 1. That's 1.674 kilograms. And in pounds, that is 3.690. Right then guys, so it's time for the second weigh-in on the single seed potato challenge. And these are buckets 2, 3 and 4. So pot, scales, set to kilograms, and they are on 0. So I'm going to start with this one, which so far is by far the biggest potato I've ever grown. That weighs 1.12 kilos, just that single potato. Might have to do this in 2. So that is probably half of them there, and we're at 4.11109. Oh, 109. Right, so back to 0, and we'll get the other half weighed. Right, so that's all of them now, and we are at 3.076. Right then guys, so that's this harvest weighed up, and still a couple more left in there. I think there's 7 buckets left in there to go, and 4 of them were cuttings, so I've no idea how they're going to do. This one, for some reason, something's been digging in there. I can see the hole. So the sooner I get these out, the better, really. So catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Right then guys, this is bucket number 5 and cutting number 1 and 2. Even though this one's been devoured, I'm still going to weigh them up. They will still add to my total. So these set on 0 and on kilograms. So we'll do these ones first and do them separate. 1.795. And it's a real shame about that one. 0.7 and half is missing. Oh, 1.291. Right, so that's them. We'll get the others out, get them weighed up as well. Right then guys, so these are the last harvest of the single seed potato challenge, and this is the final weigh-in, and after this we'll add up everything and here's the total. Right, so they are zeroed out like that. Start with the biggest one, 0.777. So 1.1 is still the biggest. You can get away these little ones, every little helps. That's 4.506. So 1.674 plus 4.109 plus 3.076 plus 1.795 plus 1.291 plus 4.506 equals. So that's a total of 16.451. You can see that on there. I think you can. But they're the individual weights, and that's the total. So once again, I'd just like to say thank you to Steve for hosting this event, and really enjoyed doing it, taking part, and I'll definitely be doing it again next year. And link to his channel will be in the description, and there will be a full playlist at the end of this video of from receiving the seed potato, cutting it up, planting it, taking the cuttings and harvesting it, all at the end of this video. If you click on that, it'll take you straight to it and you can watch them all from start to finish. And please don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, leave a like and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.